Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model S. First, locate the charge port, which is conveniently positioned on the driver's side rear of the vehicle. To open it, simply press the small button on the charging connector or use your car's touchscreen. Once open, firmly insert the charging connector into the port. You will hear a click, and the LED light will pulse green, indicating that charging has successfully begun. It's a straightforward process, designed for ease of use. For home charging, you have excellent options. The Tesla wall connector provides the fastest and most convenient charging experience, adding many miles of range overnight. Alternatively, the mobile connector allows you to charge from standard household outlets, including NEMA 1450 outlets, which can add up to 32 miles of range per hour. This flexibility ensures your Model S is always ready for your next journey, whether you are at home or away. When you are on longer trips, Tesla's Supercharger network is your best friend. These stations are strategically placed along major routes and offer incredibly rapid charging. You can easily find the nearest supercharger using your Model S's navigation system. A typical supercharger can add up to 200 miles of range in just about 15 minutes, allowing you to quickly get back on the road and continue your adventure with minimal downtime. To maintain optimal battery health, it is generally recommended to charge your Model S to about 90% for daily driving. Reserve charging to 100% only for those longer journeys where you need the full range. You can easily monitor your charging status and schedule charging times directly from your car's large touchscreen display or, conveniently, through the Tesla mobile application on your smartphone, keeping you informed and in control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.